Hello students, today we will continue with the Python pandas. Today I am showing you the coding on my mobile phone and I hope you'll understand. If any doubt is there, we will discuss your doubts through online class. Okay. Now I have already typed one program in front of you. Earlier we have learned how to create pandas, although two more methods are there to create your pandas using CSV file and text file that I'll tell you afterwards. Right now we will start some operation on Python pandas. Now here in front of you there are 5 lines of coding. First line, import panda as PD. This is you are very much familiar with this line. This is to import your panda library to your program. Next, we are creating a data frame having 2 columns, A and B. In A column there are 3 values, 1 2 3. In B column there are again 3 values, 4 5 6. Okay, so this will create a data frame. I'll show you how this data frame will appear. If we will put hash, then these statements won't get executed. Now if I'll execute this one, you can see what is the output. There are 2 columns. Here you can see it below, in result column. There are 2 lines, 2 columns having the value 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 with the name A and B. Fine. Now what we are doing, we are adding 1 column in it. That column name is C. So how we can add that? First, what we did here, we just created a list having the name, let's say I have created a list with the name X. Okay, now I want to add this these values 7 8 9 as one more column in your data frame. So what I did, I just added that column with the C in this line. In 4th line, DFC, where we have mentioned the column heading as C and we have put the value of X in this column. See what will happen if I'll print this one. This will add one more column in your Python program. Now again I'll do the same thing. I'll add few more program over here. Okay. I have created one more list. Let's say L with the value 4 2 8 and 9. See, right now what I am doing, I am creating a list having 4 values. Now I am adding this list as one more column in your data frame. I am giving this one as N. And let's say the capital letter. Okay, then I'm putting like this. Okay, now equals to L. Fine. Now I'm printing your data frame. What happened? The length of value does not match. So length must be matched. Now if I'll make that of 3 line only, your new column with N name get added. Fine, student. So this is the way how we can add a column. Now I am telling you how to delete a column. In the same program I am doing the thing. Before printing, okay, after printing it, what we are doing, we can delete your column in 2 ways. First thing is your del method. Del your data frame name df, then you need to put square bracket like this, and you need to mention the column name. For example, if you want to delete, let's say B, so you need to write here B. Okay, so this instead of df. Fine, students. Now after this, if we will print your data frame df, then what will happen? See, in earlier one B is there, and in next one B is not there. This is one way to delete. There is one more way to delete. Instead, you can use pop function for deletion. So how to use pop function? df dot pop. Okay, in pop you need to mention your column name in quotes. Let's say if I want to delete n. Fine. So now it will delete like that also. Now I am executing it. You can see. So B and N both are deleted. Through del function we have deleted the column B, and through pop function we have deleted the column N. So this is how we can delete columns. Fine. Now next is renaming. Now see, this time your data frame is having 3 columns A, B, C. Okay, I am doing renaming. I am changing the name of your columns. A as X, B as Y, and C as Z. How to do that? For that you need to use rename function. Rename. Okay. Rename, you need to write columns equal to, you need to map. For mapping purpose we need dictionary. For dictionary we will write first A. Okay, A, we need to map your A as X, right? Comma, then your B as Y, right? And your C as Z. Okay? Z. Now you need to close your dictionary, then you need to close your rename function. Okay, now if I'll print it, what will happen? In place of A, X will appear, X in capital. In place of B, Y in capital will appear, and in place of C, Z in small will appear. What happened? there is, I think so, some problem in this compiler. Otherwise this should work. Students, actually do not change the column name in your original data frame, but it only print your column as this for the timing, for this statement only. So when we are renaming it, we are printing at the same time. So I have combined both these statements. Now it is showing X in place of A, Y in place of B, and Z in place of C. Fine. So this is how you can rename your columns. Okay. Now LOC method we have learned in your Python series also, pandas series also, yes, using your row selection, row addition and row deletion, how we can add the values, how we can delete the values. Okay, so here again in pandas we will learn that we are going to learn in our next video lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.